The EURJPY has moved perfectly just as I predicted in my previous video. Remember that while price was still at this point, I informed my audience that price was going to come down towards this channel support and also clear all the liquidities below these lows. And once that is done, the price was going to rally back up towards this trend line. And you saw that that was exactly what happened. Price rallied back towards this trend line. Then we got a pullback which established a new low. But yesterday we saw that price rallied back up with great momentum and broke above that trend line. And with the trend line broken, that offers us a new opportunity in the market. So that opportunity is what we're going to be looking at in this very video. This is exactly what we're considering now. We saw that this trend line was intact with price testing it at these various points. Okay, with this break above this trend line, there is an imbalance just above this very trend line. So the markets will most likely fill up those imbalances, then retest the top of this broken trend line. Then we have a move back towards 166. So that is how I'll be approaching the market, with stop loss just below this very low, this very new low here. That is where our stop loss is going to be. Thank you for watching and have a great day.